Brad Williams, Excel primes. The consensus is indirect is really hard to grasp. Indirect is a reference. It's just a cell reference. The way to grasp this is we have this indirect B5 and A1. Insert whatever is in cell A1. You have to look forward. Here we have a sheet 1. You always have to reference the information you want to grab. So you want to grab whatever is in A1 in sheet 1. It's as simple as this, equals, and I go to sheet 1 and I go here. That is the same thing as this indirect. It just grabbed this. Notice it says sheet 1 A1. Isn't that exactly? We have indirect and we are pointing to sheet 1. We want to grab A1. It's the exact same thing. We want to go here. We want to grab whatever's in B6. You can just go equals sheet 1. There. That's it. The next point of confusion is, well, what if I want to grab more than just a single cell? Here's the standard approach. You just go equals sheet 1. That means we just point to, here, I'll just show you. You just go equals, equal to sheet 1. You grab this. Newer versions of Excel will allow you to do this because it has this active function. It spills, and it's going to spill whatever information you have highlighted. Here, this is what you get. We go up to this reference. We want to use indirect, and all of a sudden, it doesn't work. You're getting this value error. You did everything correct. We referenced A1 to B3, and we have sheet 1. You're going, it's not working. Well, keep in mind, the newer versions, you have to get rid of this intersect. It does the same thing. So just be cognizant of the nuances with newer versions of Excel. And older versions, you're going to probably have to do the control. I'm not even sure how to incorporate the older versions now. If you can even go multiple full cells using the older versions of Excel. More to come on that. That is just an overview. All the examples I've shown with indirect can be extremely confusing. Remember, all we're doing, we're grabbing the information. Here we're just using cell reference. Cell reference is this. We're saying sheet 1. We could go up here. We can identify whatever information we want. We can plant. Remember I said you're going to plant a flag? Planting a flag. It could be sheet 1. It could be A1 in this page. You're going to reference that A point as your starting point. Go here and go A1. This sheet, A1. What happens? A1 to B3. Here, we just reference. We planted a flag here using this example internally. We referenced A1. We want, as our output, B1 to C2. Notice it spills all over the place. If we just want B1, we just go B1. We get this output. What if we go B1, referencing itself? And you can't do that. You're planting a flag, and you can plant this flag anywhere. You can go A9. It doesn't matter. You're still going to get this output. You're just referencing a point. Why is it useful? Again, we went to the extreme here, and we went outside of our normal worksheet, and we referenced another worksheet. I've shown examples where we went internally and then found information on the same worksheet. It's just hard to picture this. Practice, practice, practice. Otherwise, it's the exact same thing as going E and then going here. E equals B1. Here, we just indirect A9 and B1. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.